Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. Here we have a Chevy Impala. It's gonna make ya holla from 1964. Sweet. And a beautiful darkened blue. And post-race still need work, but remember, things take time. They search day and night, night and day for their dream, for their wonderment at every car show, at everything they can do until they have their nice, shiny, beautiful machine. But even before it becomes that bright, shiny, beautiful machine, respect it. Don't touch. Look, even with this, they've still spent many hours, months, years putting it together, fixing it. Just remember it. Enjoy. Come to car shows. Watch my tube. Suggest. Later, this is Willis. Out.